Good morning students. Today we'll do the exercise of chapter number 2. If you have read the whole chapter carefully, then you can do this question: reading comprehension and analysis of pattern of text organization means choose the correct option. If you have read the whole chapter carefully, so then you can select the appropriate answer. So you have to do this question on your book by yourself. Afterwards, B part. Answer the following question. Question number 1. When does Chinese New Year start? So we have answer. Chinese New Year starts, I forgot to write S, starts between January 21st and February 20th. Okay? And second question, why do Chinese family do thorough cleaning of their houses before New Year's Day? So we have answer. Paragraph number 2. From the beginning of this paragraph prior to the first day of the new year, from this line till the fourth line for the coming year. Okay? Question number 2. Answer number 2. And then question number 3 is, which color is not allowed and which color is encouraged Chinese New Year? Why? So at the end of second paragraph we have answer of this question here. So you have to start from this line. Wearing black is not allowed due to its association with death till warden of bad spirits. Okay? Fourth question is, what do decorations on doors and windows symbolize? In the third paragraph we have answer of this question. Another popular custom is to hang up signs and posters from here till this line, luck and happiness. Okay? The question answer of fourth question. Okay? Now the question of fifth question. What is the significance of New Year Eve dinner? So in fourth paragraph you will have the answer of this question. On the eve of the Chinese New Year, from this line till the last line of this paragraph, means whole paragraph will be included. Okay? And the question number 6. What do the little red envelopes filled with money symbolize? In the paragraph number 5 we have answer of this question. It is a traditional practice for adults to give children little red envelopes. From this line till here, wealth and prosperity of the coming year. यहाँ तक होगा इसका आंसर 6th का. Okay? And the last question is 7th question. What is the importance of Chinese New Year for Chinese families? So last paragraph. 7th paragraph will be the answer of 7th question. Chinese New Year is a time from this line till last line, means the whole paragraph. 7th. Okay, so please do your homework on your notebooks and send me the written work in the group, and afterwards learn all the question answers by heart. Thank you.